All right, so we are going to add some icons to the tab bar controller. First off, we have our storyboard. I have just started a tab bar app, just a normal template. First thing we're going to do is click on this view controller and open up the sidebar, and we see this little star that says first. That is how we access all of the bar item info. So here on the right side we see the title and we see the image. By default it's just this square. So we can change this to something like chat, and then of course we want to find some image for a chat icon. So I'm going to be using Icons 8. It's a good website. We're going to enter chat. We can click on iOS here on the left to give us icons that kind of match the iOS look. Let's pick this one. We generally want to be using 30, 60, or 90. So we can click on more sizes, go to custom, and let's enter 60. Okay, we're going to download that. The color doesn't actually matter for the tab icons, so we can just leave this green. Go back here, and in our downloads folder we have this chat icon. So I've got some others in there already. We're going to go to assets on the left side, and we see first and second are already here. We can just delete those now. In downloads we want to drag in this chat icon. Just drag it straight to the left side, and let's rename it to something like chat. Now we downloaded the 60 pixel image, so this actually needs to be in the 2x box. We can just drag this back and forth. If it was 90, we would want to put it in 3x, and if it was 30, we'd want to put it in 1x. That just makes it the proper size for the tab bar. Now back in our storyboard, we're going to click on the view controller again, click on the tab item or the bar item, and now we can pick this different picture that we have called chat. Notice it is now showing up there. So we can do the same thing over here in the second one. We can click on that little star, change this to something like profile, go to Icons 8, search for profile. This looks great. We can download that also at 60 pixels. Go to our downloads, so we'll go to assets, go to our downloads, and grab that profile icon, change it to profile, and make sure that it is in the 2x because we downloaded the 60 pixel image. Back in our storyboard, of course, we will go to the profile bar item and change the image to profile. So you can't really mess around with anything on the tab bar controller itself. You notice on the right side, there's no images for those buttons. You actually have to click on the view controllers and then click on those little bar items on the left. And then you can change the title, the profile, and other things. So if we reload this, project builds. And there we go. We've got our icons. The one that is selected will be blue. Now, our icons that we imported were green. So this shows you that the color that you actually download doesn't matter. If we want to change the colors, we can go to the tab bar. Now we do select the tab bar, and we can select image tint. Okay, so let's say we do want it to be green. We can pick this moss color. Notice now the images are green. All right, that's pretty much it.